Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. In the last video we are discussing about the problem that we will face while we will create Roman list. So actually that alignment problem is not a big problem, but I want to show you something that is very necessary when you are learning about PDFBox. So that's why I am creating this video. So hope you will see this video till the end whether you need to create Roman list or not. Okay, so let's start. Here you can see we have some code that I have already written, because if I will start this development from the starting, then this video will become so long. So this is the common coding that we are using from last few videos. So the first is document object, then page object, then we are adding this page in this document. Now after that, this PDF content stream where we are passing document and the page. After that, this begin text, and then we are setting the leading, and then we have this string array. Okay, now content stream dot end text and close. After that, this save, and here you can see we have another method that will take integer number and return equivalent Roman number in string format. Okay, so for this part I have created another separate video where I have discussed how this code works. So if you are getting any problem, then you can watch that video, and the link will be in the description and also in the I button. Now let's start. So the first thing we need to create, that is here, and that is the font. So content stream set font, and here pd type 1 font dot Roman. Comma its size, so font size is 18. Now here we need to create one integer object that will indicate the starting of the list. So okay, now the idea is very simple. First we will create list number, and in the second pass we will add items. Okay, so first here 1 2 3 4 we will create 1 2 till the last number, that is 8 in this case, and in the second pass we will add this part in the list. Okay, so for the first, here you can just make comments so it will be more readable. For list number, content stream dot new line at offset, and here for x it will be 50, and for y same. First page dot get trim box dot get height minus 50. Okay, so this is the position where we are going to start list. Now for loop, and here you can just create I, or you can just use string. Both options are available for you, so I am just going to use string. You can also use I, and then I is less than this list items dot length. Okay, now here content stream dot show text, and here we will call the method int2 Roman and list number plus dot and space. So in this case you can just add a space or not. After that, new line, so content stream dot new line. Now increase the number, so list number plus plus. So at this time we have just created list number from 1 to till the end of list. So our case is 8. So 1 to 8 we have added. So first let's run this and see the result. Okay, we have some errors, so let me, okay, the file is open, so just close this file and again run. Now PDF created and open the PDF. Here you can see first we have created this list. Now in the second pass we will add some space and from here we will add the items. Okay, so in that case we will sort out the alignment problem. So just close this and here after this for loop for list item. Now again we need to set the line offset, and one thing you need to keep in mind, at this time when we have created this list our cursor is here. Okay, so if we add 50 value for the x, it will count from here and 50 will be somewhere at this point. And if we add y values, so for example 200 and or 300 something, so it will count from here to top position. Okay, so it will reach this point. Okay, so that is the main reason I am creating this video, to tell you about this cursor position. So let's create. So the first thing, content stream dot new line at offset. So again we are using 50. So it means when we are using this 50, it will count from left side to 50, and again when we are using this 50, it will count from the last position to here. Okay, now for the y, because our leading was 25, we need to do some calculation using this 25. So 25 multiply list item, so list items dot length. Okay, so for example if the length is 8, it will count this 25 into 8 and the result will be 200. So it will just add 200 from the cursor position. So here is the last cursor position, and then it will count 200 upside. Okay, so here it will get the new position and start adding text. Again for loop, Okay, so let's try to run this. First check the PDF is open or not. So PDF is closed, and now run. So PDF created, and this is the result. Here you can see this alignment, and that's enough for this video. If you like this video, then please hit like button, subscribe this channel, and share this video with your friends. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for the upcoming video notifications. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye.